Ready? Start. I am pleased to release the commemorative stamp in honor of the former Prime Minister Sri Ind Kumar Gujral on his birth anniversary today. Sri Gujral was born in Jhelum, now in Pakistan, in 1919 to noted freedom fighters Sri A.N. Gujral and Srimati Puspa Gujral. Sri A.N. Gujral later became a member of the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan before his family migrated to India. Sri Gujral started his political career as a student leader and was the president of Punjab University Students' Union. He was arrested during the Quiet India movement along with his parents after partition. Sri Gujral settled down in Delhi in 1959. He was elected unopposed to the Electoral College of Delhi. Later, he was nominated as Vice President of New Delhi Municipal Committee. In 1964, he was elected to the Rajya Sabha from Delhi, and in 1967, he joined Srimati Indira Gandhi's Council of Ministers as Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and Communications. He held various important portfolios in the Union government, including Works and Housing, Communications and Parliamentary Affairs, Information and Broadcasting Planning. During Miss Gandhi's tenure as Prime Minister, he was appointed as India's ambassador to USSR and played a crucial role in further cementing Indo-Soviet at that juncture. Subsequently, he served as the External Affairs Minister in the cabinets of Sri V.P. Singh and Sri Deve Gowda. He also served as the leader of the Rajya Sabha from 1996-1998. In 1997, he assumed office as the 12th Prime Minister of India. He demitted office in 1998. Sri Gujral was a learned man, soft-spoken and a gentleman politician who never compromised on his values, irrespective of the challenges or hardships he had faced. Bearing an amiable demeanor, he was courteous to a fault and made friends across the political spectrum. He was indeed a multifaceted personality and authored several books, enjoyed reading and reciting poetry. He used to take a keen interest in theatre and visual arts. He will be always remembered for the Gujral doctrine enunciated by him during his tenure as India's External Affairs Minister. Dear sisters and brothers, every nation formulated its foreign policy in line with its national interests. No policy can remain static or be cast in stone in a dynamically evolving geopolitical situation. India always believed in peaceful coexistence with all its neighbors and in maintaining friendly relations. Unfortunately, we have been facing relentless state-sponsored cross-border terrorism for the past several years. Today, the whole world is facing one of the worst economic and health crises in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, and this is the time for all nations, particularly those in South Asia, to focus on rebuilding economies, ramping health infrastructure, and protecting livelihoods. South Asia is home to almost a quarter of the world population. The potential and scope for cooperation and development of the region is huge, and all the countries in the region must seize this opportunity to build a better and brighter future for the people by eliminating barriers like poverty, illiteracy, corruption, providing quality education and health care.